So you want to go to college, but are not sure if you can afford it? Not everyone knows that at Wisconsin's private, nonprofit colleges, more than 95% of undergraduate students receive financial aid. Wisconsin's private colleges offer high-quality, personalized, and transformative experiences. These colleges are filled with unlimited opportunities to pursue the career of your dreams. When looking at the cost of college, you may be focusing on the price you see listed on the website. What you should be focusing on is the net price, which is the cost after all financial aid is applied. How do you get that net price, that lower price? You need to follow 2 important steps. Step 1. Fill out your FAFSA. FAFSA is the free application for federal student aid. This can be done in your final year of high school. Colleges and universities use your FAFSA to calculate the financial aid that you qualify for. Your FAFSA unlocks many different kinds of aid, such as federal aid dollars, like Pell Grants and federal work study, state aid dollars. These are offered by the state of Wisconsin and are awarded based on your family income or academic performance, private scholarships from other organizations and businesses, and likely additional financial aid from Wisconsin's private colleges' own resources. All these dollars are an investment in your education and do not need to be paid back. Your FAFSA also enables you to receive federal student loans, the best kind of student loan to take if you do need them. The FAFSA is an important step to discover your net price, the real cost to attend a Wisconsin private college. Step 2. After completing the FAFSA, compare your financial aid offers from the colleges you've applied to. You might find that the cost to attend a Wisconsin private college is even lower than attending a public university in Wisconsin. Need help? There are so many people in your corner to help you fill out the FAFSA, including high school counselors and college financial aid professionals. A lot of people understand the transformational power of a college education and want to make it possible for you. And remember, an investment in a bachelor's degree can earn an average graduate $2.8 million during their career. That's $1.2 million more than someone with a high school diploma. Education is an investment in you that can never be taken away. So now that you see how a private college or university education can be affordable for you, find your fit at wisconsinsprivatecolleges.org.